Today, you're going to use these materials to make your own catapult. The word catapult comes from the ancient Greek word that means to toss or to hurl. Today, these are the materials you're going to have to create a catapult that looks something like this. You're going to have to determine how you're going to design your catapult for the best launch. You have some options. You are going to get a collection of popsicle sticks, 3 rubber bands, and a spoon. You are going to want to put together a spoon and 1 popsicle stick. This is going to create the launching part of your catapult. So you're going to wrap this like a ponytail, put it on, twist to create the X, wrap, twist to create the X, twist, and keep going. If you put in ponytails, you're already ahead of the game. You already know what to do. So now my popsicle stick and my spoon are bound together. The next part is you're going to create the base of your catapult. You can stack your catapult base like this, using all of the sticks, making them flat, and then you can bind this side, twisting. What you're going to want to do next, though, you don't want to bind this side quite yet. You are going to want to slide this stick somewhere into the base of your popsicle sticks. Maybe you want to put it towards the bottom of the stack. Let's see if I can get mine to open up. I'm going to slide it in. Maybe I want it towards the bottom, so I will get a lift like this. And I can test to see if I like that. Maybe I want to make it higher. Maybe I want to put the catapult base high in the stack, like that. I'm not deep in that at all. You can see what kind of flex I'll get out of my spoon. And once you get it to a part where you like it so that it will hurl or toss, like its name says, your item, you will then bind it with your last rubber band over here. So it'll be one solid unit. Now, not every catapult looks the same. And this is where you get to be an engineer. Maybe you want your design to look a little different. Maybe you want some of your sticks to be flat, and maybe you want some of your sticks to stand up. Maybe that will give you a lift that you are looking for, so when you launch your catapult with your pumpkin, you'll get a good send. Maybe you want, so maybe it'll look something like this, where you have it stacked flat, like this, and then you stand some up vertically, so you have a horizontal stack, and then you have a vertical stack for a good lift. So it could look something like this. Maybe you're going to give some two stacks that are vertical, and you can wedge the spoon in creatively to make it work. I'm not going to give you all of those details. This is where you get to be the engineer. This is where you get to use your creativity to design your very own catapult. And you'll see what works and what doesn't work. And that's the fun in creating something new. So give it a shot, use your creativity, and watch that force of push and pull work as your catapult launches your pumpkin.